at across.The harbor right now. We stopped for the breakfast, and today we are going to Talsari in Odisha, and the time is around 6:30, and we've stopped here for our breakfast. Thank you. তারপরে দীঘা। So we are at 20 kilometers from Talsari and it is drizzling. So Shreya has decided to wear the raincoat. So let's ride. We'll see you from the beach. So we are at Monsoon. There's Shreya. Shreya, it's not raining anymore.
That's great.
You can take off the raincoat. That's me. This is the balcony. So this is the view from Pontonibash, and you can see the beach over there. There's Talsari, Lal Kakra beach, and the water is just coming in. The weather is so beautiful. It's drizzling. It's an amazing time, and we had a good ride. Now we are gonna head to the beach. It's around 11 in the morning, and we're going to head down to the beach, and we'll send you some more. It's very beautiful. And here is Shreya. Shreya, প্রচন্ড বৃষ্টি পড়ছে?
প্রচন্ড না, pleasure.
You're having fun?
Yeah.
Let's check the beach. So there's the beach over there. So this is kind of giving me Andaman vibes, you know? Andaman was something like this, Shreya. Shreya, anything you want to share? You're having fun?
Yeah, superb weather. And I think the best ride so far.
Hey, Shantiniketan was fun.
Because of the weather, you know, this weather is so pleasant.
Look at this. So this is the road which goes to Udaipur, and this is open. But we did not take the route from Bengal. We came in from Joleshwar. Check out Talsari like this. I have never seen. I have never seen Talsari like this. So there are the shacks. The shacks are open, Shreya. I think we should head to the shacks.
Yeah, I think we should head to the water.
Right. Of course, here is the beach. A little beach. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is wonderful. So good. But এরকম ভিজলে ভিজে যাব আমি পুরো।
আমার মন বসে না শহরে, ইট পাথরের নগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে, তাই তো মন বসে না শহরে, ইট পাথরের নগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে। এই সাগর পারে আইসায় আমার মাতাল মাতাল লাগে, এই রূপ দেখিয়া মন পিঞ্জরাই সুখের পঙ্খী ডাকে। এই সাগর পারে আইসায় আমার মাতাল মাতাল লাগে, এই রূপ দেখিয়া মন পিঞ্জরাই সুখের পঙ্খী ডাকে। মাতাল যদি তাইটা যাইতে এই সাগরের পারে, ঝিনুক মালা গাইতা কাটাই দিতাম জীবনটারে। আমার মন বসে না শহরে, ইট পাথরের নগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে। মন বসে না শহরে, ইট পাথরের নগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে, তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে। এই নীল জলেতে বাসাই দেব মনের দুঃখ যত, এ যদি তাইকা যাইতে এই সাগরের পারে ঝিনুক মালা গাইতা কাটাই দিতাম জীবন ধারে আমার মন বসে না শহরে পাথরের নগরে তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে মন বসে না শহরে ইট পাথরের নগরে তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে 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 তাই তো আইলাম সাগরে
200 টাকা একটু কমাবে না গো
কি করব বলুন তো রেড ওয়েদার তো দেখতে
একটু কমিয়ে দাও
এক পিস দিয়ে দিয়েছে 9 পিস করে দিচ্ছি
9 পিস করে দেবে 10 করে দাও
না না ভাই পারবো না
তুমি 10 করে দাও 200 টাকা একদম পারফেক্ট আছে এই ওয়েদারে সত্যি fishes so we are going to try the prawn and we have crabs and pomfret also কি এখন বাইক নেই
হ্যাঁ না বাইক না আছে বলে আমি জানি না আমি তো আসেনি সেদিকে জিজ্ঞাসা করলে জানাবো
আচ্ছা
দোকান থেকে
তোমার টুরিস্ট কোথায় আছে
আমার টুরিস্ট কোথায় আছে
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা so this is Talsari this is the old pier the old jetty and we want to go there we want to ride a bike till there that'll be good and the boat goes till those beaches over there there's Bichitrapur on that side these boats they go there's my wife and she is handling a deal a bargain that's cool and it's amazing the weather is so good it's drizzling people and this they sell a lot of fish over here so this is the fish market always rush so we're going to come back here in the afternoon in the evening time and go over there we're going to take a bike ride this is the old marketplace so this was all that was there and we used to come back and there's my wife she's trying to act cool in the marketplace
shut up
and we are going back now to Ponthonibash to have our lunch and it's drizzling and we're enjoying this weather oh ki bhalo lagche these shacks are really good the operational they sell a lot of fried fish and they'll give you the occasional beer
ছাদে তলায়
we are trying to enter the Ponthonibash. I don't know what's it. Oh, okay. The gate goes the other side. So we had fun in the beach. We're going to go back to the shacks. But right now we're going to go back and get ourselves dry. It is raining. There's the white tiger over there. Evening time and we are out to go to the beach. The water has gone back, the water has receded. You're standing here, right? So there's a lot of bikes here. You're going to rent bikes. কোনটা গো? just rode up on these two motorcycles. Let's see wonders. And we're here. Guide. Two Lal Kakra রয়েছে, আমি জানি না দেখা যাচ্ছে কিনা. They are all just going inside their cars, their homes, whatever you call them. লাল হয়ে আছে. And our guide is coming with the Lal Kakra. ধৈর্য. Fantastic. Hey! Check this out. A live Lal Kakra. This is a Lal Kakra. এগুলো খায় না গো? ও তাই, মাংস নাই. Sky formation to that. So this is Montonivash, Odisha, at night. So we're exiting Montonivash Talsari at 10 a.m. and heading back home. So see you from the ride. We've reached Express Dhaba again. There's the bike area, and the time is 12:30. Nearly 12:30. This is a brisk ride. The roads are empty, and we'll have some refreshments here. Then move to Kolkata. Here, there's not breakfast, no? This is technically lunch.
Lunch.
We already had our breakfast at Montonivash. It's a lunch. Chicken cheese green sandwich. Dosa. So we are back from the ride to Talsari, and the time is around 2:30. There's Shreya. So we'll see you on the next ride.